How to go live on TikTok without showing your face. Let's jump right into the steps. Open TikTok on your phone. To go live, you want to tap on the plus sign, which is on the bottom in the middle. In the bottom, you can see upload camera, story templates, and live. Switch to live. Now, how to not show your face. You can do several things. That is, you can only show the ceilings on the live video of TikTok, or what you can do is you can just flip your camera so that it doesn't show your face. Or next thing what you can do is you can cover the front camera with anything that you can hold it to the camera and cover and do not show anything on the live. You can put the tissue paper or any paper or even your hands. After choosing those alternatives, you can start the live by tapping on Go Live. And that is how you can go live on TikTok without showing your face. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.